Kavita Habnur has to join again. Can someone tell her that? We'll start. Kavita Jhavnur has been removed because of the recording problem. Pragya ma'am, can you just call her and ask her to join back? Has she joined?
Not yet.
Is she there? Kavita Habnur ma'am, are you back?
No, she is not there, ma'am.
We have sent a message, ma'am. She'll join.
Kavita ma'am, is she back? She was removed. No?
No.
We have sent a message.
To Kavita? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, see you joining.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, ready? Yeah. Okay. Neha ma'am, let's start with the video. Neha ma'am, please hide the sharing button.
And can you make it full screen?
Since Harshit will be speaking, I think.
Okay, okay.
Harshit, please start.
Shall I start now? Good morning to all present here today. I welcome Gauri ma'am, Manisha ma'am, and all respected teachers and our friends to the Matho Fun, the Inter Maths quiz conducted by PIS CBSE NERUL for the session 2021. Maths quiz is a very interesting exercise as it not only judges your problem solving ability but also alertness and comprehension. This is the second year that we have organized this kind of session and are extremely happy with the overwhelming session. We would like to begin our program with a short prayer sung by our choir.
Neha ma'am, I would like to present now the prayer. Can you hear it?
Yes.
Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul, worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing till the evening comes. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship His holy name. Sing like never before, oh my soul. I'll worship Your holy name.
And now I would like to introduce the participants of today's quiz, and I will request them to say good morning once I call out their names. Participants from 8th grade. Nidhi Bimal from 8th D.
Good morning.
Mudakkar Iyengar from 8th E.
Good morning.
Ishika Mukherjee from 8th C.
Good morning, everyone.
And Shirish Singh from 8th D.
Good morning, ma'am.
And now the participants of 9th grade are Lakshay Bhavnani from 9th B. Kirtivasan Iyer from 9th E.
Good morning.
Aditi Shankar from 9th B.
Good morning, everyone.
Aryan Nag from 9th E.
Good morning.
And the participants from 10th grade are Shamit Samanta from 10th C.
Good morning, everyone.
Dhyanvi Chauhan from 10th C.
Good morning, everyone.
Anand Mishra from 10th B.
Good morning, everyone.
And Rishi Raj from 10th D.
Good morning.
And now I will request our Vice Principal Ma'am of the morning session, Gauri Ma'am, to say a few words before we begin.
Good morning, students. So we have finally come to the point that we will not go any enthusiasm because of any other external factor. We have made sure, and especially because of your teachers guiding you, we will not let go even the math quiz. So I'm very happy to see all of you in this virtual platform of math quiz. I'm sure you'll be able to hold on to that energy till the last. Now, one thing I was thinking of what to say, because I have always been very scared of math, and believe me, it's unless I had seen the other side of math, I wouldn't have been saying what I'm going to say now. First is, I realized that math is actually a universal language. I mean, even if a person doesn't know how to read and write, will definitely know how to solve. And basic arithmetic is a part of our lives. And in spite of the fact that all your maths teachers are smiling very beautifully today, I am sure they are not so smiling when they take your class. But they have definitely made it possible. I mean, this math subject, they have made it possible to make it a fun activity. Back in our days time, we would always associate math teachers with a glum face and, very big eyes, because we never enjoyed the subject. And I'm sure it is this enthusiasm that has brought all of you here. And if we had a chance, we would have, if it had been physical school, I have seen the huge crowd that wants to participate in this math quiz. So I thank the maths department. Every year they come up with the math quiz, and in spite of not being physically present in the school premises, we are still holding that quiz. There would be it would always be advisable to follow all the instructions and keep up the spirit of lively quiz. Okay, so all the best to all of you. I'm looking forward to a very participative, not me participating much, but definitely I will share the joy and happiness with all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. And now I will request Uma ma'am to take over.
A very good morning to our principal ma'am, vice principals, coordinators, HODs, and my dear students. Mathematics, rightly said, is a universal language. Sure, it's equations, numbers, and some Greek letters, but it's understood the same virtually all over the world. If there is any subject that can be used to understand the complexity and intricacy of nature, it is mathematics. It's not restricted to only that, but has branched into the most ideal cases. It is a world of facts and reasons, and that is the only thing that matters. And that is the reason it is truly said that mathematics is the king of arts and king of all sciences. And if you think mathematics is all about hardcore calculations, constructions, theorems, and proofs, then I guess you haven't witnessed the math quiz organized by the mathematics team of Podar International School, CBSE Nerul. Learning cannot get better than this. So let's witness Matho Fun Quiz, unique in itself, comprising of fun and entertaining interaction sessions which provide our quizzes an opportunity to light up their grey selves while having fun at the same time. Thank you.
Thank you, Uma ma'am. Respected Vice Principal ma'ams, PTA members, my teachers, and my dear students. Now I'm going to present the PPT where I'm going to read out all the rules for different rounds. So all the best to all the participants. Let's begin the round one. The round one is Google Form round. The rules are there will be separate links for grade 8, 9, 10 students, which will be shared by Amrita ma'am. Students will open the link and will solve the Google Form questionnaire in 20 minutes. The questionnaire will consist of 20 MCQs. So please be ready for the round one.
Um, Here, I would like to come and say something. We all have a quiz group. Now, in that quiz group, Amrita ma'am will soon share the links for grade 8, 9, and 10. So, as per your grade, you will open the link and you will start solving the Google form, and we will announce when does your time actually start, and from that to 20 minutes you will have to, after 20 minutes do not submit your form. After 20 minutes we will tell you to stop writing, but you don't have to submit the form unless we tell you to submit. So you all have to refer to the quiz group for the link, and you all have to open your respective link.
Renu ma'am, whoever has made the quiz form after
Yes.
20 minutes can stop accepting responses. So immediately no response will be accepted after 20 minutes.
Okay.
Renu ma'am, they are asking for the link in this chat box also. Can that be done?
Ma'am, let us first see it in the, like I'm referring to the quiz group. Once
Okay.
that is done, then we will put it in the chat.
Someone has written, one of the participants have written that he wants, if it's possible, to put it on the chat.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, just a doubt here. Ma'am, can I ask it?
Yes, yes, Dhyanvi.
Ma'am, you said that after 20 minutes, we do not submit the form.
No.
So whenever we have completed, we should submit it directly, right?
No, you will not submit the form unless we tell you to submit. Wait for the instructions. Do not
Okay, ma'am.
submit the form. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Mom, should we start?
Please wait. I'll tell you when to start.
Everybody should get the, open it first before you start, right?
Yeah, so we will tell you. So you don't have to now open the link. We will tell you when to open. Just hold on.
All the participants, please pay attention. Once you open the link, you tell them that you've been able to, you've got the link, right? So you can all start together.
Ma'am, please also mention the grades, ma'am, for the
So,
respective link.
yeah, Rishi, that is why we are asking you to please.
Ma'am, can you send the links on the chat, please?
You all have to just wait, and we will do everything. We will send the link in the chat box as well. Just wait.
Thank you, ma'am.
Um, Grade 10 participants, can you please confirm? Can you see the link in the group? Grade 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, grade 9
Yes,
participants,
ma'am.
can you confirm? Grade 9 participants.
Yes, ma'am, it's there.
All right.
You can see
Grade
the link.
8 participants, can you confirm? Grade 8 participants.
Yes, ma'am, it's on
Yes,
the
ma'am,
WhatsApp.
it's
Yes,
there.
ma'am, it's
All
there.
right. Now, children, can you please tell me that who specifically wants us to type in the chat box? Because the links are there. You can also type that link in the other tab and open the tab. Will you do that? If you still want us to type in the chat box, then you tell us because the links are there in the group. So it's not required actually.
Mom, can we open it from the group?
Yeah, you have to directly open the link from the group and solve the form. All right. Will everyone be able to do that? Anyone has any problem? Then I will announce that your time starts now if everyone is ready. Is everyone ready? Okay, now listen to me very carefully. You will open the link and you will solve all the 20 questions. When we ask you to stop, you will not submit the form in panic. Now, why? Because you have to hold on. You don't have to submit now. All right, so you will not submit the form. That is first thing. Second is it is requested like all the teachers. This is sorry, not a interactive round because the children will be solving their Google form, and the maths team needs to keep a watch. Like we need to just observe them whether they are doing it sincerely. So like we'll be invigilating, we'll be watching them. So this will be a very quiet kind of a round for 20 minutes and all of us need to be the maths team needs to be vigilant, the teachers. All right, children, are you all ready? Mudakar, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So your it is 10:15. All right. So by 10:35, latest by 10:40, you have to stop solving, and you have to stop. You don't have to submit the form. Right. All right. Your time starts now.
I think Aryan Nag's video is off.
Yes, Aryan. Please keep your video on. Aryan
Shares,
Nag.
shares also. Shares Singh, please keep your video on.
Shirish Singh,
Yeah,
please keep your
yeah,
video on.
yeah. Thank you.
Renu ma'am, Aryan Power has sent a message. He has a problem with the webcam, it seems.
Ma'am, I'm replying. I'm replying. I would like to interrupt here. All the instructions were given to the audience here. There are some children who are the audience here. They will not open the link and solve the Google form. This instruction was given to you. This round is only for the participants. Audience will have a separate audience round as instructed earlier. So Aryan Pawar, you are an audience. You don't have to open the link and solve the form. You have to only answer the questions of the audience round. Audience, please do not open the link and solve the form. 10 minutes to go, just a reminder. As you finish, you can post in the group done. Only the participants. Another reminder, after you are done, do not submit the form.
Ma'am, did you message something? I can't
Your
hear
video,
you.
your video should be on.
It's on, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
can put.
after we solve those questions, there is one more page given there.
So you, that is why now you understood why you have to hold on. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now you can just write done in the chat box and wait.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, the diagram which they had to give for question number 17,
Yes.
they have given it in the wrong question.
So that's fine. You know that diagram is for which question.
Okay.
You can post your queries in the chat box, okay? Instead of unmuting and speaking.
Ma'am, there's a next page. So, should I leave it there?
Yes, please. And please write done in the chat box.
Students, please listen to the instructions. Don't keep on asking the same questions. Others are very getting disturbed.
Shirish, please switch on your video.
Ma'am, it's switched on.
Okay. Five participants out of 12 have completed. It's almost time now. Yes, Aryan. No, Rishi. Ishika Mukherjee has left the meeting. The participant has left the meeting.
Should we write in the WhatsApp chat?
The maths team, whoever is in charge of Ishika, please post a message in the group, this group. The teacher.
Ma'am, there was some network issue. That's why I got disconnected.
Okay, fine. Okay, Dhyanvi, Laksha and Aditi, are you all done? You all have to stop now. Can we get a reply from you, Dhyanvi, Ishika and
Yes,
Aditi?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, and what about Ishika? I got the reply. Aditi, I got the reply. Where is Ishika? Ishika,
Ma'am, I'm here.
are you done with the test?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the next set of instructions, please listen very carefully. We are, remember, we are still observing you. You all will not at all try to answer any one of the MCQ questions now. That time is done. We are observing you. All right. Now the next slide will be presented by Neha ma'am, and you will see that slide. And as I said, hold on to your Google form. Okay, you don't submit it now. Please read the contents of the slide. Yes, Neha ma'am, you can start.
Yeah. So the next round is rapid fire round. The rules are there will be 5 oral questions which will be asked to each participant. The students will listen to the questions and then write the answers in the Google form and then submit the form. The process will continue till all the 12 participants will submit the form. The form should be submitted immediately after answering the last oral question. The total score will be calculated manually and intimated to the students later on. The highest scorer of grade 8, 9, 10 will form the winning team, which will participate in inter-school competition.
Before we start with the oral round, do you have any questions?
Ma'am, we have to just write the answers in the Google form, not speak them out, right?
You have to just answer right in the Google form. You don't have to speak them out. Okay? In the Google
Okay.
form, oral question 1, oral question 2 is written. So there you just have to write the answers. You have to listen to the question and write the answer. And remember, it is a rapid fire round. And therefore, one question will not be repeated more than 2 times. So now your listening skills are tested, your mental math skills are tested, and I request the remaining audience to please keep yourself muted so that there is clarity of sound, that the children can listen to our questions. All right, and as
Ma'am,
the
I have a
instruction
question.
given, 1 minute.
Will there be any other round for the audience?
Yes, there is other round means there has no round has been conducted for the participant, right? So the round will be conducted for the participant. Okay. Any
Okay,
other question? Yeah. So all of you will be muted except the teacher who is asking the question and the student who is answering the question, and the rest. And as soon as you answer the last question, you type it in the Google form, you have to immediately submit the form. All right?
Ma'am, we won't say anything, but our mics will be on, right? We will
Achha,
just.
no, you are right, Rishi. Actually, even you can be muted because you only have to listen and type the answer. So you need not unmute yourself. You are right.
Okay.
All
Okay.
right? Okay. So now we begin.
Ma'am, can I ask my question?
Yes.
Ma'am, so for this round, when we get asked a question, we have to click next, right? To go to the second page of the form.
You don't have to, all the questions are one below the other. So
Yes.
when you're answering the first question, you have to click on oral question 1. When you're answering the second question, oral question 2, like that, and type. All right? And then after typing the fifth question, you have to submit the form.
I'm sorry to interrupt you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
The person who is answering the oral question, let
Yes.
that person unmute because
Yes.
that person will come on spotlight.
Okay. All right. All right. Point noted. So, children, you have heard what sir said. So you have to unmute so that you can come in the spotlight. All right. Okay. Now I invite Chitra ma'am to start with the oral questioning round. All right.
Thank you, Renu ma'am. Good morning, one and all present here. Our participants reached this round after crossing many rounds. So I'm requesting you, all of you, to unmute yourself and let us give a round of applause to them. Thank you very much. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. So I will start with the grade 8 students. So the first set of question goes to Nidhi Bimal. Nidhi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All the best. So please listen carefully. Rapid fire round that is related to observation skills. Please listen to my questions carefully and write the answers. You can give answers also and give the answer also. The first question: what is the largest two digits prime number? I'm repeating. What is the largest two digits prime number?
Okay, ma'am.
Second question: what type of fish looks like a pentagram? What type of fish looks like a pentagram? Okay. Third question: which subject is often employed in advertisements to boost up the sales of products? I'm repeating. Which subject is often employed in advertisements to boost up the sales of products?
Okay.
Fourth question: a perfect square between 100 and 200. A perfect square number between 100 and 200.
Okay.
Next question: how many zeros will be there in the cube root of 800? How many zeros will be there in the cube root of 800? Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Now I need to write them in the form, right?
Yeah.
Chitra
Say
ma'am, sorry to
simultaneous.
interrupt.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah. Children, you have to write the answers simultaneously in the Google form.
yeah.
Nidhi, you have not written any one of the answers?
No, ma'am. I was writing in the paper, and I'll just write it in the.
All right. So just write and please submit. And now
Yes.
from next time onwards, all the other participants will simultaneously write the answers in the Google form. All right? Okay. Yes, Chitra ma'am, you may continue.
Thank you. Yeah. The second participant, Mudakar Iyengar.
Yes, ma'am.
Mudakar, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Fill in the blanks. The measure of chances known as. The measure of chances known as. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why?
Okay, ma'am.
What can you put between 7 and an 8 so that the result is greater than 7 but less than 8? What can you put between a 7 and an 8 so that the result is greater than 7 but less than 8?
Okay, ma'am.
A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called. A line that intersects two or more lines as distinct points is called.
Okay, ma'am.
How many medians a triangle can have? How many medians a triangle can have?
Okay, ma'am.
You can submit the form. If you have completed, immediately you have to submit the form. The next participant, Ishika Mukherjee.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The first question, average of 65 and 33. Average of 65 and 33.
Okay, ma'am.
Second question, if you roll a standard dice, what is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4? If you roll a standard dice, what is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4? Next question. A quarter is third of it. What is it? A quarter is third of it. What is it? Next question. The value of root 88 is between which two integers? The value of root 88 is between which two integers? If you have done, you can say yes or
Yes, ma'am.
what is the smallest integer that is 10 times the sum of its digits? What is the smallest integer that is 10 times the sum of its digits? You can submit the form.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, I will submit.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
The next set of question goes to Sirish Singh. Sirish, are you
Yes,
ready?
ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Listen carefully. Gauri has 200 rupees notes. She has also 11 10 rupees and 9 1 rupees note. How much money does she have in total? I am repeating. Gauri has 200 rupees notes. She has also 11 10 rupees and 9 1 rupee note. How much money does she have in total?
Yes, ma'am.
What shape is an Egyptian pyramid? What shape is an Egyptian pyramid?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a fill in the blanks. A plus B the whole square minus 2AB is A plus B the whole square minus 2AB. Next question. When a number is divided by 8, the answer is minus 3. What is the number? When a number is divided by 8, the answer is minus 3. What is the number? Next question. Convert the statement adding 15 to 4 times x is 39 into equation. Convert the statement adding 15 to 4 times x is 39 into equation. Yes, yours done?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can submit. Keep your video on. Now, next 9th grade students, please be ready. The first set of question goes to Aditi Shankar. Aditi, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. The first question, polygons that have no portions of their diagonals in their exteriors are called. Polygons that have no portions of their diagonals in their exteriors are called. The cube root of 27 connected with the units of measurement will produce dash musical art. The cube root of 27 connected with the units of measurement will produce dash musical art. The next question, what does PEMDAS stands for? PEMDAS. What does PEMDAS stand for? Next question. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 5, what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 5, what is the value of x square plus y square plus z square? Next question. A ship is sailing on a bearing 315 degree. What compass bearing is that? A ship is sailing on a bearing 315 degree. What compass bearing that? You can submit the form. The next set of questions goes to Aryan Nag. Aryan, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question, name the mathematician who first compute the decimal expansion of pi. Name the mathematician who first compute the decimal expansion of pi. Aryan, can you please keep your video on?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I forgot. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Next question.
The sum of 19 consecutive integers is 2019, 2090, 2090. What is the difference between the largest and smallest of these numbers? The
Ma'am,
sum
9
of
integers.
19 consecutive integers.
Okay, ma'am.
19 consecutive integers is 2090. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest of these numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. If the reciprocal of root z is 4, what is the value of z? If the reciprocal of root z is 4, what is the value of z?
Yes, ma'am. Next question.
Which geometric shape has the minimum surface area for a given volume? Which geometric shape has the minimum surface area for a given volume?
Yes, ma'am. Next.
Lenny walks y kilometer and then runs 4 kilometer to reach grandmother's house. When he returns home, he does the same again. How many kilometers does Lenny walk and run altogether? Lenny walks y kilometer and then runs 4 kilometer to reach grandmother's house. When he returns home, he does the same again. How many kilometers does Lenny walk and run altogether?
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes, you can submit your form.
Yes, ma'am.
The next set of question goes to Lakshay Bhavnani. Are you ready? Yeah. The first question, you are given 3 positive integers. You can add those numbers and multiply them together. The result you get will be the sum which are the numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, 2 fair coins are tossed. What is the probability to get at least one coin lands heads up? All are requested to mute yourself except the participant. Third question, how many diagonals does a hexagon have? How many diagonals does a hexagon have? How many times does the digit 5 occur in the numbers from 1 to 100? How many times does the digit 5 occur in the numbers from 1 to 100? An integer p, which is not 0 or plus or minus 1, and it is divisible by no integer except plus or minus 1, and itself is called. I'm repeating, an integer p, which is not 0 or plus or minus 1, and is divisible by no integer except plus or minus 1, and itself is called. Lakshay, mute yourself. You can submit your form. Lakshay, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
The next set of question goes to Kirtivasan Iyer.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
There is only one number which has the same amount of letters in its spelling. What is it? There is only one number which has the same amount of letters in its spelling. What is it?
Yes, ma'am.
If x is equal to y power a, y is equal to z power b, and z is equal to x power c, find the value of a, b, c. If x is equal to y power a, y is equal to z power b, and z is equal to x power c, find the value of a, b, c.
Yes, ma'am.
How many points of intersection of the diagonals of a regular pentagons are there? How many points of intersection of the diagonals of a regular pentagons are there?
Yes, ma'am.
A brick weighs on 1 kilogram plus half of its brick. What is the weight of one brick? A brick weighs 1 kilogram plus half of the brick. What is the weight of one brick?
Yes, ma'am.
Find for which value of x is the following equation true. 4 power 4x minus 7 is equal to 4 power x minus 1. 4 power 4x minus 7 is equal to 4 power x minus 1.
One second, ma'am.
Complete and submit your form.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now over to Renu ma'am.
Yeah, the grade 10 students, please be ready. Just wait for 2 minutes. Who is the last participant to submit the form? Please confirm in the chat box. Form submitted.
Kirtivasan has to submit the form, the last participant.
Kirtivasan, please confirm in the chat box that you have submitted.
Yes, ma'am. One second.
I think it's time for a round of applause for 8th and 9th as they finish this round. It's been a very interesting round. Thank you, ma'am.
I wish good morning to everyone, and all the best to the participants of grade 10. I start my round of questions with Rishi. Rishi, as soon as you answer the 5th question, you have to immediately submit the form.
Okay.
My first question to you. Which number appears in Don Brown's best-selling novel, The Da Vinci Code? Which number appears in Don Brown's best-selling novel, The Da Vinci Code?
Okay, ma'am.
Rishi, have you typed the answer in the Google form?
Yes.
You have to do it simultaneously. Second question. What is missing out of the trio sine, cosine, and dash? What is missing out of the trio sine, cosine, and dash?
Yes, ma'am.
Third question. The union of two non-collinear rays with common end point is called dash. The union of two non-collinear rays with common end point is called dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question. How many degrees are there if you add up the internal angles of a pentagon? How many degrees are there if you add up the internal angles of a pentagon?
Yes, ma'am.
Fifth question. How many degrees are there in 2.5 right angles? How many degrees are there in 2.5 right angles? Please submit your form and confirm in the chat box. I move on to Dhyanvi. First question
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, just a
Number
minute.
system.
Ma'am, submitted.
Yes, ma'am.
Confirm in the group.
Yes, ma'am.
Number
Continue.
system with base 2 is called. Number system with base 2 is called.
Yes, ma'am.
Second question. 4 raised to the power 5 ends with the digit dash. 4 raised to the power 5 ends with the digit dash.
Okay, ma'am.
A line that intersects two lines in different points is known as dash. A line that intersects two lines in different points is known as dash.
Okay, ma'am.
Fourth point. Straight line that touches a circle at a single point is called dash. Straight line that touches a circle at a single point is called dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Last question. Which distance is greater, 7 miles or 13 kilometers? Which distance is greater, 7 miles or 13 kilometers? Please submit your form.
Okay, ma'am.
Coming to Shamik.
Yes, ma'am.
The first question to you. An equation involving expressions under a radical sign is called. An equation involving an expression under a radical sign is called dash.
Yes, ma'am.
Second, what is the term given to the perimeter around a circle? What is the term given to the
Yes,
perimeter
ma'am.
around a circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Third question. What is the square root of 0.0081? What is the square root of 0.0081?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. What is a polygon with 4 unequal sides called? What is a polygon with 4 unequal sides called?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. If you throw 2 dice at the same time, what is the probability of getting 6 on both? If you throw 2 dice at the same time, what is the probability of getting 6 on both?
Yes, ma'am. I'm sure
Please
submit.
submit your form. Anand Mishra, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I submitted it.
First question. What number does giga stand for? Giga. What number does giga stand for? Second question. How many sides does a dodecahedron have? How many sides does a dodecahedron have? Third question. When a polygon's all sides and all angles are equal, it is said to be dash. When a polygon's all sides and all angles are equal, it is said to be dash. Fourth question. What fraction of a liter is 200 milliliter? What fraction of a liter is 200 milliliter? The last question. What does capital D, D for Delhi, okay, what does capital D represent in a Roman numeral system? What does capital D represent in a Roman numeral system? Please submit your form.
I'm just done.
Anand, you cannot take so much time. You have to submit immediately. And please
Submitted.
confirm. Yeah, confirm in the chat box. Submit. Okay, thank you, children. We come to the end of the main quiz, the intra-school quiz round. Now we are going to go to something very interesting, for which I would like to ask Neha ma'am if she will do the presentation.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, children. So are we all ready? Yes.
So now we are moving to the next round, that is trial quiz. So this quiz will be a team event.
Excuse me, Neha ma'am, you have to present the screen.
Oh my God. Yeah, ma'am.
Yours for the 10th standard students, please, for attempting the rapid fire round. Clap. I'm sure you all enjoyed the round. I'm also very, very interesting.
Yeah, so this is trial quiz. This quiz will be a team event. Renu ma'am will announce through the chat box or verbally. While the question is posed to one team, other team participant will be muted.
Neha ma'am, there was a slight, slag in the sound and, so repeat the slide, please. Repeat the slide.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
I think they missed the.
Ma'am, is it clear now? Hello?
Yeah, actually there was a slag in the sound, like your sound is not clear. Is there a connectivity problem there? You can try it once, otherwise.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay. So this is a trial quiz. The rules are this quiz will be a team event and Renu ma'am will announce the team members. Ma'am, is it clear now?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah. These team members will mutually discuss the answers through the chat box or verbally. While the question is posed to one team, other team participant will be muted. There will be 2 rounds of questions which will be asked. The questions will not be passed to the next team. The team which gets the highest score will be a winner for this trial quiz. A winner will be announced on the spot. However, this team or this score is not considered or counted in the final result of intra quiz. This quiz is only a trial event and has no role to play in the overall result of the intra quiz. So let's begin the trial quiz. First, we are going to check your computational skill. Ma'am, you have to.
Yeah, I will first announce the team. Okay. Now, is there any doubt regarding this? We have come to the end of our intra quiz, which was the main aim of gathering here. And as we had told you that we will be manually calculating the scores and informing you who is the top scorer of grade 8, 9 and 10. And together, 3 of them are going to form a team for the inter-school. Now, because we are moving ahead with the inter-school quiz later on, this is just a trial quiz, because in the main inter-quiz round, we will be having the quiz in this way, where you will be playing it in teams. So this is just a trial quiz for that. All right. Now, yes.
Ma'am, can we get a 1-minute break for drinking water?
Sure, sure, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
While I am, you all need a break. So while you all are taking your break, I am just announcing the team members. So you all can listen to me and take your break. So team A, the members of team A are Nidhi of grade 8, Laksha of grade 9 and Shamik of grade 10. So you all will form a team. Team B, the participants are Mudakar of grade 8, Kirti Vasan of grade 9 and Dhyanvi of grade 10. So please know your teammates. Team C, Ishika of grade 8, Aditi of grade 9, Anand of grade 10. Come to team D, Shirish of grade 8, Aryan of grade 9 and Rishi of grade 10. So you form team D. So now we are going to start with this round. The most important instruction here is that when the question is shown to you and 30 seconds are given to you to answer that question, in those 30 seconds, only the teammates will chat with each other through the chat box, or they can talk to each other. The others will be muted. So we will be observing the team members of the other 3 teams. If you all speak or if you all try to interrupt, then there is a provision for negative marking as well. So we as quiz masters, we will be the we will take the final call on whether we should penalize you with those negative marks. So it is requested that the other team members will not at all try to, and even the audience will not try to interrupt in any manner, right? So are we all ready, participants? Shall we start? All right, Neha. Yes, you can start presenting.
So first we are going to check your computational skill. So the rules are each team will get 30 seconds to answer the question. 10 marks for the correct answer, and the question will not be passed to the next team. Now Swati ma'am will going to read out the question.
Thank you, Neha ma'am.
Ma'am.
A very warm.
Ma'am.
I think there's a question from someone.
Swati ma'am, can we hold on? Yes. Who
Yes,
has it?
Ma'am Anand. Ma'am, is there any negative mark
There
for
is
wrong
no.
answer?
There is no negative mark. Okay.
Please.
Okay. Thank you, Neha ma'am. A very warm welcome to you all. So be ready for the first round of the trial quiz. And here is the first question for team A. So team A, please be ready. Here is a question. Father's age is equal to the sum of the ages of his 5 children. After 15 years, his age will be only half of the sum of the children's age. How old is the father? Team A, your time starts now. Team A, your time is up. Tell me your answer, Team A. Please answer it. Team A, please answer of this question.
Team A does not get any marks, unfortunately. We have given them 30 seconds to answer. So you can please disclose the answer to everyone.
Okay, let's see what is the answer of this question. That is 45 years. Sorry for this question, Team A has not got any marks. Next question is for Team B. So please be ready, Team B, and you have to answer within 30 seconds.
Team B, please confirm that you're ready before we start the question.
Yes, Team
Yes,
C.
ma'am. Ready.
Yeah, we don't
Are
want.
you ready,
Ready,
Team B?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now your question is here. Mrs. Nyasa needs to take a taxi to the doctor's clinic. The taxi ride costs rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer and part thereof. How much does Mrs. Nyasa pay for a 3.8 kilometer taxi ride? Team B, please, your time starts now.
Shall I answer?
Yes.
37.4 rupees.
What?
37.4 rupees.
Okay, your answer is noted. Let's see whether your answer is correct or not. Here is the answer. Sorry, Team B, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is rupees 39. So for this,
ma'am.
Well tried, Dhyanvi. We will clarify this, Dhyanvi. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
ma'am.
All
thank you
right.
so much, Janvi. Yes,
That was well tried. Yes.
So Team C, are you ready?
Team C, are you ready? Say yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Please mute yourself. Team B, please mute yourself.
So Team C, here is a question. In the adjoining figure, the area of shaded portion is, and your time starts now. "15 seconds are left. Team C fast. 5 seconds are left, Team C. Your time is up. Team C.
Yes, let us see the answer, ma'am.
Yes. The correct answer is 384 centimeter square.
Team C, did you attempt anything like till which step did you attempt? What answer were you getting? Were you arriving at this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that means the time was not sufficient, right?
Yes, ma'am. Just
All
2 to 3 seconds more.
All right, we understand. So that means we all need to work on our computational skills and also our speed, both the things,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes. Okay. Team D, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here is a question for Team D. The question is, car A leaves at 8 a.m. at 40 km per hour. Car B leaves 2 hours later at 60 km per hour. How long does it take car B to catch up to car A? Team C, your time starts now. Do fast.
160, 120. Fair. 160, 120.
Yes, team D, only 10 seconds are left. Fast. Try your best.
Ma'am, around 3 hours.
Around 3 hours. Okay, your answer. I'm noting your answer. Let's see what is the correct answer of this question. Sorry, the answer is 4 hours.
You were also very close. Well
Yes.
tried. So
Yes.
now you all are getting a glimpse of when you are competing with the other schools. We all need to be very good in our computational skills and our speed. And error, there is no room for error, right? So we need to work on it. Yes.
So the first round is over. And Neha ma'am will announce very soon the score of the first round. Thank you.
Neha ma'am, yeah. So in the meanwhile, we are having an audience round by Pragya ma'am. Yes. Yes, Pragya ma'am. So the audience can now answer. The participants, please do not, please let the audience answer these questions. Right.
Okay, good morning all. Is it audible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now, time for audience. So the first question I will ask, I will present the first question to you. So the audience are, I think, Subi, Amatullah, Arna, and Aryan, Ayush, Swaraj, and Snehal. So these are the 7 children. Be ready, and you can write your answer in the chat box.
There are teachers in the audience.
Yes, even teachers can write the answer. VP ma'am, I request VP ma'am to write the answer also. Let's see who is giving the, but not the participants. Let's see who is giving the right answer first. So the presentation, first question.
Ma'am.
Can you see the question mark? You have to answer the missing number. Yes. Yes. Not yet. Not a single answer. Please answer. You can write down in the chat box. If you need any hint, I can give the hint. Do you need hint, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Pragya ma'am,
Yeah, it's the written hint. There is no problem.
Teachers they have given the answers, Pragya ma'am.
Answers
Some teachers, yeah, in chat box, some teachers they wrote the answers in the chat box.
Yes, teachers have written answer. So participants, the audience have not yet given, means student audience have not yet given the answer.
Ma'am, I have written in the chat.
I think one child has written the answer.
But that is not the right answer. So,
Ma'am, I want to see the question.
okay, 1 second. And
The question,
yeah, this is the question. This is the hint for you. All these pentagons are interconnected. There is a relation between all the pentagons. Should I give the right answer now? Yes, children? Teachers. So the right answer given by Neha ma'am. The right answer is 10.
so let's all round of applause for Sneha ma'am.
So now the second question. Sneha ma'am, well done. Now next question. A is B's sister, C is B's mother, D is father, D is his father, and then you have to find out the relation. Let's check who is giving the answer. Teachers, you can give the answer. Julia ma'am. I request BP ma'am for this answer.
Rishi, you don't have to participate in this. Rishi.
Rishi, you are not participating. Yes, the right answer given by the first answer is by I think Aryan Power, great grandmother. The right answer, very good, excellent Aryan. So these are the two questions actually for the audience. Now it will be next presentation is by Neha ma'am, and again I will come back to you. Neha ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, Pragya ma'am. Now I'm going to share the scores for the round 1. Ma'am, can you please stop presenting? Pragya ma'am. Hello.
Yes, she's doing it.
Yeah. So the scores for round 1, you all know. So round 1 scores for team A it's 0, team B it's 0, team C is 0, and team D is 0. So better luck for the next round, all the teams. Let's move to the
Ma'am,
round.
Ma'am, I had a
ma'am,
doubt.
Yes,
yeah,
I
ma'am,
had a
same here.
question. Ma'am, actually, ma'am,
yes.
can you just show a question for team B?
Yes, ma'am. Team B's question, ma'am.
See,
Ma'am,
listen.
can you just show it once?
All see, as I said, it is a trial round, right? Dhyanvi. So if at all there is any discrepancy, we will revert the scores. Don't worry. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but the question was wrong. Means the answer was wrong. Which was
Okay.
wrong.
We agree. We will definitely go over that question once again, and we will revert back to you. Don't worry. Okay.
A round of applause for the first round getting over and the participation of students as well as the audience.
Yes, children have tried. So applause to children have tried.
Enjoy the round. We're also trying to see how this round fares, how we can do
Yes.
this kind of round. Teamwork.
True.
Good, good.
Yes, Neha, ma'am. Please
Yeah.
continue.
So let's move to the next round. So in the next round, you have to identify the mathematician. So the rules are each team will get only 10 seconds to answer the question, 10 marks for the correct answer, and again the question will not be passed to the next team. I hope you are clear
So,
with the rules.
sorry, Neha, ma'am. Here I would like to interrupt. If you don't mind, I will continue with the presentation. You continue with the reading of the slides, right? All right. So, children,
Okay,
this
okay,
is
ma'am.
our second round, identifying the
Yeah.
mathematicians. I will soon start the presentation for that.
Ma'am, I wanted to tell something. Ma'am,
Yes.
here in this team round, we as a team can't participate. So, ma'am, I am telling that if one team, ma'am, for example, if team A is getting a chance, then all the participants of team A should be unmuted and others should be muted, and they will talk with each other and give the answer.
Right. That's right.
Ma'am, because in
That's
the
right.
first round, every single participant was doing their own calculation and giving the answer on behalf of the team.
No, but
That,
this the
so
instruction.
that is exactly that is the feedback we are looking for from you. So when it is a team round, you cannot individually calculate and give the answers individually. So after you are done with your calculation, you have to wait. You have to share your answer with your teammates. And then you all have to mutually decide. So that is what we were trying to see. That's why this is a trial round. Juliana, you want to say something here?
I was saying that that is exactly what the instruction that was given by Renu ma'am, that only the team members should be unmuted. That's why we asked, are you ready? So I really don't know why singling you answer. It's always done in a quiz. When it's a teamwork, three of you are there and at least you check the answer once. Is this fine? Is this fine? Like that. So please do that. We want you to do that. And fine, it's a trial round. It's fine. The first round went like that, but we want you to score in the second round. Okay? So only team members of A, please unmute yourself, and the rest please mute. Only the teachers, Renu ma'am and the teacher who is presenting. We are all muting ourselves. So once you unmute yourself, all the team members say yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Only then will they start with the question. So team A, please say that you have unmuted and you are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. So we are soon going to start.
What about the other member? Only Shamik. I heard Shamik's voice. What about the other members?
Identify the mathematician. As Neha ma'am has already read, the rules are each team will get 10 seconds to answer the question, 10 marks for the correct answer. The question will not be passed to the next team. Okay, Neha ma'am, now you can start reading. Right.
Yes, ma'am. So identify the mathematician.
This is Albert Einstein, isn't it?
Okay, let's wait for the answer.
Ma'am, it's Albert Einstein.
Yeah. I heard your answer. Good. So let's see the answer. Albert Einstein, very good, well attempt. Got 10 marks for this. Team A got 10 marks for round 2. Well done.
When you turn, I want to say something here. Now the thing is, when the students are, in the round, they are discussing among themselves, but they are not telling us that, ma'am, we are discussing. We have to assume that they are discussing. So after the time is over, they will say, ma'am, can I say the answer? And declare the answer. Before that, if they are discussing, we will not take it as the answer. Because suppose this was wrong, this was not a photograph of Einstein. He was kind of, telling his other co-members that it's Einstein, isn't it? But we all thought he was saying the answer. I think that should not be the point. It should be, he should say that after the time ends, he should say, ma'am, can we say the answer now? We will only accept that answer. We will not accept the answer before that.
So point noted, as Julia ma'am said, the team B now will say the answer only after the time is up, not before.
Okay, ma'am.
All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Before that, you discuss among yourself. We will not accept the answer what you discussed before that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Team B, ready? Three of you?
So the next question is for Team B. You all can discuss, you all can unmute yourself and discuss.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the next question for Team B. Be ready. Identify this mathematician.
This is
can be
Leonardo da Vinci, right?
Archimedes. Yeah, it can be.
Yes.
What do you think it is? Who do you think it is?
I think it's
Can
Da
be
Vinci only.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Da
okay,
Vinci only,
sure.
Your time
Yes.
just
The answer is
anyone can answer.
the answer is Leonardo da Vinci.
Let's see your answer.
No,
Sorry, your answer is wrong. The
he
correct
should have
answer
guessed it by what he was drawing.
it's okay, well attempt. So you scored 0 for this.
Yes, Neha ma'am, here I want to come in. Leonardo da Vinci, I am not sure whether he was a mathematician.
He contributed to maths, I think so, ma'am.
Okay, that's
Alongside art and
I'm not
astrology.
very sure. Yeah. All right. So this is Pythagoras. All right.
Around.
Yes.
That's fine. Yes, come on. Clap for them. I can't hear any of the audience because they're muted. So you can at least.
Yeah.
All right. We proceed from here.
The next team, please say yes.
Yeah, this is for team C.
Say that you're ready with
Yes, ma'am.
You all can unmute. Yeah. Identify this mathematician.
Please
Time is
answer.
up.
Srinivasan Ramanujan.
Can you please repeat?
Srinivasan Ramanujan.
Srinivasan Ramanujan. Okay, let's check your answer.
The correct answer is Bhaskar Acharya. Sorry, your answer is wrong. It's okay. Well attempt.
Let's clap for them.
Clap for them.
Yes.
Right, we move ahead.
Now the next question is for team T.
Are you ready?
Yes, please.
Yes,
Are you ready, all of you? What about the other participants?
All the three participants. Identify this mathematician.
I think so. This is Isaac Newton.
Sir Isaac
Yes,
Newton,
Sir Isaac Newton.
Please
Newton.
discuss.
father of calculus, Sir Isaac Newton.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir Isaac Newton.
Ma'am,
Yes,
answer is Sir
answer.
Isaac Newton.
All right, so let's check your answer.
Yeah, very good. Well done. Your answer is correct. You scored 10 marks for this question. Well done, all the team. You have participated very well. Now, again, Pragya ma'am is going to ask you some questions. So wait for the final round, final scores.
Okay, before the final answer, final round, final marks, and the winner, two more questions for the audience. I'm presenting the question in front of you. How many rectangles are there in the given figure? Already got one answer. Yes? No. No. Participant cannot give. Only the audience, even teachers.
I think participant. Aryan is not a participant.
Yes. I got the answer. Right answer. Arnav, the first one to give the right answer. The right answer is 12. Should I show the answer?
Yeah, round of applause for the correct answer in the audience. Come on.
So the right answer is 12. Now for the next question. Be ready. Can you name the biggest number that can be written with 4 ones? The biggest number can be written with 4 ones. Very easy question.
This is too easy, isn't it?
Waiting for the right answer.
Oh, it's not easy.
This is not the right answer.
Oh no.
Teachers, please give the right answer. Yes, again, Sneha ma'am is right. 11 raised to the power 11.
Oh no, that was very tricky.
So with 4 ones, the biggest number can be written as 11 to the power 11.
Ma'am, will be 1111 factorial.
Not a math.
It's an audio.
Yeah.
I'll show you the answer.
Ma'am, according to me, it should be 1111 factorial.
See here, the number.
But only four ones na Rishi.
11 to the power 11.
Factorial sign is not there.
Oh,
Only
we
four,
have to
only
mention
four
it.
ones. Only 4 ones. Only 4 ones.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, it is not mentioned factorial.
Okay, so my this is the end of the audience round. Only two questions were there. Now again to Neha for the final score.
Neha, before you disclose the final scores, Pragya ma'am, please stop presenting.
Yes.
Uh, we have discovered a very, Julia ma'am, a very funny and a weird thing now.
Yes.
Aryan of grade 9 has attempted Google form of grade 8. Aryan, any clarifications on that? Aryan, you have to be
Ma'am, I
very
clicked the link in the group.
Aryan Nag. So
Yes, ma'am.
you have attempted Google form for grade 8.
Ma'am, I clicked the that link given in
Did
the
you
group.
forget that you are in grade 9 now?
Oh no, then what to do?
Ma'am, I clicked the link in the link given in the group, ma'am. I
Obviously,
don't know
Aryan,
what
we all
happened,
have
ma'am.
done that only, Aryan. We all have clicked the link given in the group only. So, as a quiz master, I decide I am sorry. We have to really consider, I mean, we have to really see whether we can qualify Aryan Nas or not, because you have attempted the Google form for grade 8. So,
Ma'am, was there any information through which the questions would be decided? Because I entered my information correctly, ma'am.
Ariana, you have attempted grade 8 Google form. All right.
We'll take a call later. Let us proceed with this. We'll discuss later. I think PP ma'am, and we'll take a call
Okay,
later.
ma'am.
Let us carry on with this.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Ariana, please enjoy the program. We'll decide this later.
All right. Okay. Yes, Neha, ma'am. Let's proceed. And please unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yeah. Before I show the final score, I want everyone who is present here to clap for all the participants. Now Swati ma'am is going to read out the final score. I'm going to present now.
Now it's the time to know the score after the second round of the quiz.
Neha, ma'am, you have to present. Neha.
Yes. Now here we can see the final scores after second round. Team B and C could not score in both the rounds, and team A and B has scored 10 marks each. So the two teams are on the same score, but though it is a trial round, that is why we will not ask any tiebreaker questions. So congratulations, team A and D, and let's give a big round of applause for them. And congratulations to every participant of all the teams. Thank you.
I think we'll go back to Harshit. Harshit, are you there? Okay, there's a video. Okay, we didn't know this.
Yeah, there will be a short video by Imran sir.
Before the video, I think Rashmi ma'am is having some problem with the question. Should I share the questions once again for the 11th one? This is, it was written biggest number only. The word is same. Biggest number formed with the 4 ones.
Ma'am, that is will be 111.
Biggest number we can form with the 4 ones. We can use that power as 2 ones. If we are taking 1 with the power 3, then it will be 1. If we are taking 1 and then power is 1, then 111. So the biggest number we can take it as 11 to the power 11. and the word is also the same. Should I present it again, ma'am? Is that
Pragya ma'am, no, I think it's
okay?
clarified. Yeah, thank you.
Now Imran sir will present a short video.
Imran sir, please unmute yourself. Imran sir, please
Yes,
unmute.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, VP ma'am. Good morning, all the students. Here, I would like to show you one video which is very interesting. One short video, which is hardly 1.5 minute video. You just see the video and you can apply this. This is very interesting. Here is a video for you all. Just a minute.
Any glitch? What's happening?
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm playing the video. There's a problem. I'll ask Brisa to play the video.
Till then, we could ask VP ma'am how she liked the quiz being organized online. There are always these small problems, that we have to face. So we are trying to improve.
Oh, the best thing I liked about the quiz today, it was so orderly, and the children were patient, and I think we have many lessons have been taught to us by this new normal, and that is why we could not only understand but also see how much involved you can get. Unless you have that calmness, peace of mind, you cannot deliver what you want to.
Absolutely, you're right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we all enjoyed. We're still enjoying. Okay, ready for the video.
Yes, sir. Brisa, please play the video, Brisa.
That was very nice. I would now request Manisha ma'am to just say how she liked this program. Then we'll go over to that video. Manisha ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, could you just tell us how you enjoyed this?
Really enjoyed and still enjoying. I had means although we have been discussing about this quiz for quite some time. It's been a wonderful surprise, this entire experience, how it has been going on. And kudos to the teachers who have arranged the entire event, all the rounds, how it has been going on flawlessly with the entire team being involved so well. And even a special mention to the participants as well as the student audience who are, as Gauri ma'am said, participating so patiently yet actively and learning lessons. I'm sure this is preparing them very well for the inter-school round, plus more such competitions that we are definitely going to hold now. All of us, when we were discussing organizing such events online, we were quite skeptical about how it would go. But now I'm sure each of us is really inspired. And match team, thank you for leading us in that. So I'm sure all the other subjects are now going to follow suit.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you.
Over
Thank
to
you, ma'am.
over to Harshit now.
Now I will request Leena ma'am to propose a vote of thanks.
Good morning, all. Good morning, all. It is an immense pleasure for me to deliver a vote of thanks for this event. We bow our head to Almighty for the smooth running of this event. We remain thankful to our principal ma'am, Soma ma'am, for planning and giving us an opportunity to conduct this event virtually in this condition. Because of your motivation, it all happened now. We are grateful to our Vice Principal, Gauri ma'am, for your kind support and guidance, and now for your good words about us. We are grateful to our Principal, Afternoon Principal ma'am, Manisha ma'am, for your support and for your good words.
I think there will be Vice Principal ma'am afternoon. Manisha ma'am.
Yes, afternoon. Yes. We thank PTA members who joined here. We express our gratitude to our event team, especially Julia ma'am, for your guidance and support. We thank IT team, Brit sir, for your support throughout the event. We thank all coordinators who are present here. We thank all teachers who are here. We thank all the participant students and also the students who joined as audience. We maths department teachers thank from our bottom of our heart to our department head, Renu ma'am, for inspiring us and coordinating among us to present this event jointly. I thank for the smart work done by our team members, Amrita ma'am, Neha ma'am, Kavita Havanur ma'am, Swati ma'am, Imran sir, Uma ma'am, Pragya ma'am, Chitra ma'am. We are proving that everything is possible. Once again, thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I would request you all to get ready for the national anthem.
Please give me a minute. I'll be sharing it. Can you see the video?
Yes.
Okay.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
That's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
We will be announcing the
All of
results soon.
you, all
Thank you for your participation. Good day, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
parents also
Thank you, ma'am.
wanting the students to participate. It's a really wonderful to see overwhelming participation with this. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye. Have a nice day. Julia, ma'am, have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Swati,
Thank you,
as
ma'am.
a teacher, yeah, congratulations. You handled very well, and the video was wonderful. We really enjoyed it. Thank you, Bridge sir. Thank you, Matt sir.
Thank you, Julia ma'am. Thank you so much.
Everyone.
Thank you, Julia, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, BP, ma'am. Thank you, Julia, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Vinny ma'am. And all the teachers are present here. Thank you.
Thank you, Bridge sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the Max team.
Thank you, Priyanka, for helping me
You're in the
out.
math team, sir.
Priyanka, girls is here.
Thank you, sir.
Priyanka, thank you so much for supporting me, supporting the whole program. I think we'll have all the programs online this time. So every program that we are having is kind of a learning experience. So, learn playing the videos and all without any age at all. I mean, English teachers are really went through a lot of trouble for that, but we have managed now with all your support. I'm sure the next program will be much better and flawless. Thank you.
Thank you.